hotel room, 2 stories high. Dark night, neon lights fill the Louisville skies. Jim Beam's my inspiration, so I carry on, counting ways to do my hit, singing cowboy songs. Sometimes wired, sometimes wasted. There's not a thrill that I ain't tasted. There's not a bed that I ain't slept in since I left Texas walking. Breaking hearts and guitar strings, smoking hope and drinking dreams, counting ways to do my hit, singing cowboy songs. A tear-stained pillowcase, a faded valentine, a telegram from Dallas, and a poem that doesn't rhyme. Jim Beam's my inspiration, so I carry on, counting ways to do my hit, and singing cowboy songs. Sometimes wired and sometimes wasted. There's not a thrill that I ain't tasted. There's not a bed that I ain't slept in since I left Texas walking. Breaking hearts and guitar strings, smoking hope and drinking dreams, counting ways to do my hit, singing cowboy songs. Yodelay-o-delay-o-delay.
The hot rod race that fatal day when the Ford and the Mercury went out to play. Well, this is the inside story, and I'm here to say I was the kid that was driving that Model A. Well, it's got a Lincoln motor and it's really souped up, but the Model A body makes it look like a pup. It's got 12 cylinders and uses them all with an overdrive that just won't stall. It's got a 4-barrel carb and dual exhaust, 411 gears so you can really get lost. It's got safety tubes and I'm not scared. The brakes are good and the tires are fair. We left San Pedro late one night. The moon and the stars are shining bright. Everything went fine up the Grapevine Hill. We was passing cars like they was standing still. And all of a sudden, like a flick of an eye, a Cadillac sedan had passed us by. A remark was made, "There's a car for me," but then the taillights were all you could see. Well, the fellas ribbed me for being behind, so I started to make that Lincoln unwind. I took my foot off the gas, and man alive, I shoved it down into overdrive. Well, I wound it up to 110 and twisted the speedometer cable off at the end. I had my foot feed clear to the floor. I says, "That's all there is, and there ain't no more." Went around a corner and I passed a truck. I whispered a prayer just for luck. The fenders was clicking the guardrail post. The guys beside me were white as ghosts. I guess they thought I'd lost my sense. The telephone poles looked like a picket fence. They said, "Slow down, I see spots." The lines in the road just looked like dots. Smoke was rolling out in the back when I started to gain on that Cadillac. I knew I could catch him and hoped I could pass, but when I did, I'd be short on gas. Went around the corner with the tires on their sides. You could feel the tension. Man, what a ride. I said, "Hold on, I got a license to fly," when that Cadillac pulled over and let me go by. And all of a sudden, the rod started knocking, went down in a dip, and she started rocking. I looked in my mirror, and a red light was blinking. The cops was after my hot rod Lincoln.